Support and enhancement for him, and triple stimulation for her, all in one sleek wireless design from California Exotic Novelties. This is the one and only Triple Orgasm Erection Enhancer, designed for couples. The comfortable and flexible erection enhancer slips over him for extra support and is molded from soft, pliable TPE, a class of hygienically superior materials whose characteristics mimic many of those of silicone. The enhancer features skillfully cast pleasure bumps and 2 strategically placed fluttering pinpoint stimulators for her sensual indulgence. Dual sleeves are built into the design to accommodate the removable and wireless twin stimulators. To enjoy the mega-powered mini stimulators, open the cap at the end of the bullet vibe with a counterclockwise twist and insert 3 new, included, watch batteries. The black button that seals the battery compartment also serves as your one-touch power control. After inserting the mini stimulators into the EasyFit sleeves, give this button a clockwise twist at any time to activate the pleasurable stimulation. For maximum pleasure and to maintain function and performance of your Triple Orgasm Erection Enhancer, always use a water-based lubricant or the all-purpose Cal Exotics brand Universal Lube, safe for all toys and materials, and washes up easily with mild soap and a damp washcloth. You may also wish to try Cal Exotics Antibacterial Toy Cleaner. Cleaning is recommended before and after each use. Enhancement for him, and dual wireless micro stimulators for him and her. The Triple Orgasm Erection Enhancer from California Exotic Novelties, where science meets passion.